Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Autotrader account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in autotrader.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Autotrader website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, you will end back within the home page. Now click on your account icon at the top right once again, and then click on a profile. This will then take you into your profile page, from which you will find the change password button underneath the password section. Go ahead and click on it. And now you will first need to enter your current password. Type in the password that you are currently using to log into your account, and then enter your desired new password underneath within the new password box. After entering your desired new password, click on the Save New Password button. And now your password will successfully be changed on your Autotrader account. And from this point on, you will be able to use this new password to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account password on Autotrader. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.